and welcome back to another episode of WhenWearHow Lifestyle. I changed it, it's new now. We doing new things. So WhenWearHow Lifestyle, still red lip fashion with me, Tiffany. So guys, I'm gonna do another liquor video, another bar video. I would like to share with you my Coquito recipe. It's one of my favorite things to make because I like creamy drinks that have liquor in them. They're just fun, like mudslides, Coquito, Bailey, anything with Baileys, like anything creamy is just really good to me with alcohol. I think it's really good and it's fun and it's filling. It's like a really good filling drink so that you don't have to really eat that much. You can just drink the drink and kind of be full. So I'm gonna share with you my Coquito recipe. Ingredients for my recipe that I like to use are evaporated milk, a can, and this is 1 can of each. So evaporated milk, coconut milk, cream of coconut, and sweet condensed milk. I also like to use vanilla extract, cinnamon and nutmeg, not seasoning, but like, you know, powder. And I also like to use cinnamon sticks, and I just go ahead and put the cinnamon sticks in the bottle that I use to put the Coquito in. And my secret ingredient I like to use is almond extract as well. So I kind of like it because it kind of gives like a more like it kind of adds to the nutty flavor. So like you have your nutmeg and then you have your almond, and it kind of just adds to that flavor. And I personally like to use dark rum because I just wanted to give that extra kick. So I like to use dark rum. So today I'm gonna use the rest of what I have here, no judgment, of my Ron del Barrilito. It is Puerto Rican rum, and it's one of my favorite dark rums that I like to use. I actually got this from Puerto Rico. So first we're gonna start off, all we do is mix all those, and it's so simple. All we do is mix all those ingredients together, and you just pour it, and then you let it sit for a couple of hours, just so that those flavors can like soak into that the cinnamon sticks in the bottle. And I will give it at least 2 hours. So just try to make it 2 hours before you're gonna use it, and just pour it over ice, and it's amazing. Like, it's so good. So let's go ahead and start. So I already put my my evaporated milk, my cream of coconut and my coconut milk in measuring cups because they were Goya products, and we are on a Goya boycott, so I did not want to give them any advertisement, so I went ahead and poured those through the cans out. I did not purchase them, they were already in my house, so I did not give Goya any money since the boycott. They were just already in my house, we're using them up. So you just go ahead and you pour those in. And the cream of coconut is usually like a little oily. You can just stir it up if you want. And my evaporated milk, you pour that in. I'm just gonna pour some of it. And then I go ahead and pour my sweet condensed. Oh, this stuff is so good. So nice and sweet and rich. And it's very sticky. So we're gonna go ahead. Actually, I like to do my rum last. So I'm just gonna put my vanilla extract in. Guys, I'm sorry if you're looking for measurements. I can't help you. I don't do measurements. I ain't got it. I know you saw the measuring cups and you was probably like, oh, this girl's gonna give us the measurements. No, those are just for show. I don't do measurements. So I go ahead and I just sprinkle a little nutmeg, and you just sprinkle a little cinnamon, a lot of cinnamon. And then I like to pour my liquor in last because you want that to be like the kick. So we use that up. Be careful, guys. Make sure that I'm gonna make sure that my thing is on low. It's on high. We're gonna put it on low so that those flavors can just kind of make love. And then as it's doing that, you can smell like the flavors of everything coming together. The cinnamon, the nutmeg, the vanilla, the liquor. You just smell all of it. And it's like really one of my favorite drinks to make. And it's so easy. Like this is literally all you have to do. Nothing fancy, nothing extra. This is literally all I do. I may use a little bit more. Let's stop it. We don't want to make a mess. It does get a little messy, but we don't want to make a mess. I will add a little bit more of my evaporated milk. Okay. Just gonna shake that up. And then I'm gonna pour it in the bottle so you guys can see. And I will also pour myself a glass just because I want some tonight. And literally, like, I know I put enough alcohol. You can definitely use like at least half a cup of alcohol. It works. So all we do is just pour it in the bottle, and you see how it just comes out so smooth and creamy. This is amazing. This stuff is amazing. I know some people usually put like egg in their coquito. We ain't doing all of that, and I only got 2 eggs anyway, and those are for breakfast, so we can't use my eggs. Sorry. But I'm not one for putting eggs in drinks. It's just not me. So I'm gonna show you guys how great this looks. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. See that? Just make sure you wanna bing, 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 bing. Just wanna go to a bodega right now and just. This is so good. This is so good, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will put all ingredients in the description box. I will put everything in there for you, everything that you need. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If this is your first time watching and you like any of my videos, definitely click subscribe. And definitely click the notification bell so that you can be made aware every time I post a video. Thanks again, guys. See you next time on WhenWearHow. Bing, 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 Selena. Bidi bidi bamba, bidi bamba, bidi bidi bamba, bidi 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 bamba, bidi bidi bidi. Ya ya ve. It's my song. Ya ya ve la amarela. Sensación. Te quiero que ahora. Bye, guys. So it's gonna get a little messy now because it's filled to the top. So just